Perfect. Welcome to this new video. In this one, I will show you the inter-process connection, the inter-process communication between two processes in Windows using the description of a thread, okay? Basically, this is a technique from our malware technique database, that is a database with a lot of techniques that you can use, in this case, at this moment just for Windows, okay? But in today's lesson, in today's video, we are just showing the IPC via thread description. So let's jump to it. Perfect. So basically, this is an inter-process communication technique with for Windows operative system. You just need user required privileges with an easy difficulty. And the description, it's so simple, okay? Interesting way to send a message, payloads, or whatever you want between two different processes running at a time on the same machine, okay? This basically means the IPC, the inter-process communication, okay? It's also known as inter-process connection. Perfect. So as an interesting mitigations, we have three options. The first of all, it's monitor the threads, okay? We can watch for unusual descriptions. Also, we can restrict access, okay? We can limit the thread set information and thread core information that are the flags used to set and get the description of a thread. And of course, detect abnormal behavior like repeated description changes or inter-process writes, okay? So basically, from the step size, we have the following threads. First of all, we need to find the target process, okay? We get the process ID by the process name. After this, we enumerate all the threads from this process, and then we set the thread description, okay? We update the thread description if it matches with the thread that we are searching for, okay? So basically, from the first process, we are just setting the thread description, but in the second process, we are not setting the thread description, we are just getting the thread description, okay? After this, we are monitoring, reading and printing the current thread description every 10 seconds, okay? Perfect. So basically, this is the C++ code. Also, we have the Rust code. And then if we go here, we can see the proof of concept, okay? This proof of concept, it's very simple. It's basically sending this string between two processes. So perfect. Let's just jump to the virtual machine and check this type of inter-process communication. Perfect. So here we have both projects, the server and the client, okay? Let's start opening the server. Until this is opening, we just also open the client one. And let's just wait until both solutions are just loaded, okay? Perfect. This is the server one. In this case, the project name is thread description, okay? And basically, what we are doing here, we are getting the current thread. In this case, our own thread, the thread running this code, okay? The thread that will be created when this process is executed, when this code is executed, okay? And after this, we are setting the description of this thread with the name, with the IPC name, okay? So basically, with this set thread description, that is a function from the official Windows API, okay? You can find the documentation searching for this, okay? This one from here. And basically, just receives two parameters. The first one, the handle to the thread, and the second one, the string that specifies the description of the thread. So in this case, we are passing our own thread handle and IPC that will be the name, the description of this thread, okay? So basically, if this succeeds correctly, we just print the message thread description checked successfully. After this, we just wait with this get char until the other client, the other process, in this case the client, it's just searching for our IPC thread description and setting a new description, in this case IPC2, okay? After this, from the server, we try to read the new description, and if all works good, the new description printed here will be IPC2 instead of just IPC like here, okay? So let's just start. Let's execute this server project. Let's wait a second. This machine is a little bit slow. Perfect. So this is the execution from the server side. Okay, that just the description set successfully. Okay, so we have reached this print, and now we are in the get char, that's pausing our execution. So now we can execute the client, and this client will be searching for a thread with the description APC. Okay, if this thread is found, they set the, here we have find the thread, and now we are setting the new description, the APC2 thread description. Okay, perfect. After this, we have a loop here, a while loop, where we just print the description each time. Okay, the get thread description, it's also from the WinAPI function. From the Windows API libraries, and basically we just need to set the same things, the handle as the first parameter, and then the description that we want to, in this case, get. So we create a new variable from this type with a null pointer as the value, and then pass as a pointer, as a reference to this function. So basically, when we just go back to the server one, that it's this one from here, if we get the char, the new thread description, it's APC2, okay? That basically it's this one from here. And now we have two loops, okay? So basically, this is the technique where you can communicate between processes in a Windows operating system machine using the thread description, okay? Also known as thread name. So basically that's it, that's this technique. And now let's just jump to the next one.